Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how you can set up Canvas grade sync to the Focus SIS. To start, I'm in my Canvas course and I'm going to go to Modules and create a new assignment. I'm going to call my assignment Demo Assignment. And then I'm going to edit the assignment. So I'll click on it and then I'll go to Edit at the top. We would do everything we would normally do with a Canvas assignment. At the bottom, we'll set the number of points. This will be the number of points that it will get synced to in Focus. So I'm going to set this to 100 points. For the assignment group, we need to make sure that this is set to either daily with a capital D or test with a capital T so that it matches the name of your categories in Focus. So it's no longer DLY or test. It is daily capital D and test capital T. So I'm going to set this to a daily grade. Then I'll make sure to click the Sync to Focus button. And the last thing I need to do is make sure that I've set a due date. So I'll set this due to today. I'll save and publish this assignment. And in this case, I'm going to go into SpeedGrader and I'm just going to assign some grades. This would work the same as if I was doing this in a quiz or any other assignment, as long as I've checked that Sync to Focus button. So now that I've entered some grades, I'm going to go back to my gradebook. And I can see my grades are showing up here. To sync these, I'll click the Sync button in the top right corner and then choose Sync to SIS. It'll load. I can choose which assignments I want to sync, and I'll click Post Grades. I can click the Scheduled button. It'll take it just a moment to run. And it says it's complete. It's synced the assignment along with the grades. Now, if I go to my Focus gradebook and I refresh, that assignment will show up here on the right. If I switch to a different class, I can see that my courses are splitting those grades appropriately. One thing, if we look at the options for that individual assignment, we can see that it actually added the description imported from Canvas and then included the link to this Canvas assignment. So that way your students could click on that link from the gradebook and immediately go to that Canvas assignment. So they no longer would have to ask you, what is demo assignment? They could click on that link in Focus and it would take them directly to this assignment. One thing to note is that Focus has set the publish date for this assignment for 11:59 p.m. tonight. So this assignment will not show up for parents until 11:59 tonight. In fact, if we go to Student View, I can see that this student currently does not have a grade for this teacher's course, and they won't until 11:59 tonight. One other thing to note, if you make changes to a grade in Focus, that grade will not be overwritten by any changes that come from Canvas. So if I were to change this student's grade in Focus, it will no longer sync that particular student's grade from Canvas. So if I made changes in Canvas, they'll no longer show up in Focus for this one student. I can still grade the other students, but I can only enter grades for this first student directly in Focus. This has been a brief introduction to how to do grade sync in Focus. If you have any questions, please reach out to your digital learning specialist.